Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how to download and install Grok AI on iPhone. So if you want to download Grok AI on your phone, here's a quick guide. I'll tell you that the first thing you have to do is open up your app store on your phone. Then you can just use the search bar, but just simply tap on the search bar button. Then use the search bar option to search for Grok, which is Grok AI. Grok AI. Just search for the key phrase. Then the Apple Store will simply source out the name of the app that falls into this category. So once you do that, then alright, good. So we're just gonna tap on it, Grok AI. There's AI here. Then from there you can just tap on the get button. Then apply your Face ID or your touchpad or your Apple ID password just for you to be able to install the app. Then after that installation will take place, then you can go back and get the app on your home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.